Hello, children. Again, I'm back to the same topic, interrogative sentences. So, children, uh, in the last video of the same topic, I told you how you can form interrogative sentences जो कि yes or no में होते हैं, यानी the questions which have yes or no in answer, how we can form such questions. So we learned, and I hope that you all have understood the topic, and today we'll discuss that the questions which have no helping verb, no auxiliary verb, how we can form such questions. So if you see the first line, just let's see the heading first. Interrogative sentence in present and past indefinite. So basically we'll understand that if we have to make question in present indefinite or past indefinite, then how we can make. Why have I written these two lines? Because in these two tenses only, students, we don't have any हेल्पिंग वर्ब और ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, यानी प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट और पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में कोई भी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब नहीं होने के कारण वी यूज़ डू, डज और डिड. सो विल सी द फर्स्ट रूल, डू एंड डज, यानी प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में how we can form the question sentence. So first we understand that do is for plural and does is for singular. We remember that do is used for plural. Plural means I, we, they, you and more than one subject, या more than one noun. And does is used with he, she, it and या फिर single object के साथ, single noun के साथ. So here do and does, then syntax में after do does will what will come? Subject. And अगर sentence में not आएगा then we will write not just after subject and then verb का first form and then object. So students, understand first that in Hindi how we can form the sentence. Suppose if I say do you eat mango, यानी क्या तुम खाना खाते हो. Students, again this is the same thing that the answer always will come yes or no. ठीक है. So do you eat mango, do you not eat mango. So students, अगर सेंटेंस में सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव होगा then we will use do you eat mango, and if the sentence is negative then we will write the sentence this way, that do you not eat mango. So now students, you have to just remember that in present indefinite अगर क्वेश्चन का आंसर yes or no में है then we will always start the question sentence with do or does. Now these two examples are for plural. Now see these two examples which are for singular. Does she come daily, क्या वो डेली आती है. Does she not come daily, क्या वो डेली नहीं आती है. तो अगेन if you want to answer कि वह डेली आती है then you will say yes or no. Does she not come daily, यानी क्या वो डेली नहीं आती है, then again it is up to you. Answer may be yes or may be no. Now see the example for past indefinite. Again, as in present indefinite there is no helping verb or auxiliary verb, same as in past indefinite there is no auxiliary or helping verb. That's why we use did to make question sentence, और इन क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी yes or no ही होगा. Now see the syntax first. Did excuse me plus subject. If not is there then we will use not after subject and then verb first form and then object. Now did you eat mango, क्या तुमने मैंगो खाया. Did they eat mango, क्या उन्होंने मैंगो खाया. Did I not listen to you? क्या मैंने तुम्हें नहीं सुना? Now students, if not is there in the sentence, then after subject we have to add here not. Now, did we not favor you? क्या हमने तुम्हें support या favor नहीं किया? So students, you have to again remember, if in past indefinite the question has yes or no answer, then we will make the sentence, question sentence with did, and we will always use verb first form, and here also in present indefinite we will use first form while making question sentences. So students, this is for this topic, and now I would again ask you to make some questions and get them checked also, because how can I know that you are getting all the things which are taught by me or not? So at least let me know that the things which I have been teaching you are understanding or you are getting all or not, right? Because I have seen the students that very few of you are responding, else are quiet silently doing their work in other subjects. So writing will help you, but not that much. First you have to understand and clear your doubts, right? So thank you so much students. Take care. Bye bye.